I'm Billy, and you are listening to Generative Engine Optimization in the AI Era, Decoding SEO 2.0. Welcome to the show, proudly sponsored by 3 Steps Digital Brand Management, a Kalicube certified agency. Now let's dive right in and decode.
Okay, let's just jump right in because we need to talk. For what feels like forever, our entire industry has been stuck debating this one thing. Is it SEO or is it GEO, this new generative engine optimization? It feels like the most important question in the world, right? Well, what if I told you it's a complete distraction from what's really happening?
You see, while we've all been arguing over what to call it, AI has been silently but completely changing the most crucial factor of all, how your audience actually behaves and finds you. This is the exact thing Google's own John Mueller warned us to keep an eye on. And folks, it isn't coming. It's already here.
And this right here, this is the fundamental disconnect. Most of us are still playing an old game. Our strategy is all about getting traffic, getting seen, being one of the top options. But AI agents, they have a totally different goal. They are literally designed to cut through all that noise, do the research for the user, and deliver just one single definitive answer. And if you're not that one answer, you're not in second place. You're completely invisible.
Hey there! Before we get started, if you're new here, please subscribe to be kept up to date. For more insights like this, you can also download some free guides to optimize your corporate or personal brand in the AI era at kalicube.com/guides.
So, let's just put this whole SEO versus GEO debate to bed, shall we? It's focusing on the wrong thing. Seriously, it's like we're all arguing over the name of a hurricane while it's actively reshaping the entire coastline right in front of us.
And don't just take my word for it. John Mueller from Google said it himself. He's basically telling us, look, what you call it doesn't matter. The reality is AI is here to stay, and getting hung up on the terminology means you're missing the bigger picture.
So what's Mueller's real message here? It's simple and it's brilliant. He's telling us to ignore all the hype and all the buzzwords and to focus on the one thing that truly matters, your audience. How are they really, in the real world, using these new AI tools? Get obsessed with that question, because that reality is what should be driving every single move you make.
And that advice leads us directly to the real game changer. See, Mueller told us to watch for changes in audience behavior, but here's the twist. That massive change has already happened. AI didn't just tweak the marketing funnel, it completely demolished it and rebuilt it from the ground up.
You know this old thing, right? It's been marketing 101 for decades. A user gets aware of a problem, they see a whole bunch of options. That's you and all your competitors. Then they spend time comparing all of you, and finally they pick one and convert. Seemed simple enough. Well, that model is officially history. Today, the user just states their problem to an AI. Then, the AI engine itself does all the heavy lifting. It does the comparison. That whole messy consideration stage, it's now collapsed into a machine's black box, and out the other side comes a single recommendation. Your customer isn't comparing the options anymore. The machine is doing it for them.
And this, my friends, leads us to a pretty dramatic and maybe a little terrifying new reality. It's a concept that brand expert Jason Barnard calls the zero-sum moment, and it is exactly what it sounds like, a winner-take-all game.
1. That's the only number that matters now. The entire AI ecosystem is being fine-tuned to filter out every competitor, every alternative, every maybe, and give the user one single confident answer. In this new world, there is no silver medal for second place.
So, okay, if the entire game has changed this much, then the prize we're all fighting for must have changed too. We have to completely redefine what winning even looks like. For years, the goal was just to be on the list, rank on page 1, be one of the 10 blue links. The prize was simply being visible, being one of the options the user could consider. But if the user isn't the one doing the considering anymore, then what's the new prize? What's the new finish line we should all be sprinting towards?
It's this, the perfect click. This is not just any old click. No. This is the final decisive action that a user takes after the AI has done all the research and made its choice. It's the ultimate machine endorsement, handed on a silver platter to a user who is ready to buy, book, or sign up right now.
Jason Barnard, the expert from Kalicube who actually coined this term, he puts it perfectly. He says the goal is for the AI to look at everything out there and confidently say, choose this one. That recommendation, that final trusted link, that's the perfect click.
So how in the world do you win this? How do you become the one?
Well, it's going to require a massive shift in your strategy. We have to move away from chasing short-term tactics and get on a long-term mission of building algorithmic trust.
The old playbook, it was all about keywords, traffic volume, ranking positions. You know the drill. But the new unified strategy is about building a brand that machines can not only understand, but more importantly, trust. It's about proving your authority through consistent, corroborated signals all across the web. As Billy, I can tell you that most businesses are still optimizing for the list on the left, while the winners are building the brand on the right.
So how do you build this trust? You have to basically engineer your entire digital presence so that an algorithm, which thinks in pure logic, sees you as the most logical, undeniable choice. Your brand story has to be crystal clear and consistent everywhere. Your claims have to be backed up by other credible sources. You have to make it an absolute no-brainer for the machine to choose you.
So, at the end of the day, the question you have to ask yourself is this: are you building a brand that will earn the perfect click, or will you just become another forgotten link that the AI filtered out? Stop debating SEO versus GEO and start building the corroborated, machine-trusted brand that AI agents will choose in the zero-sum moment. And as we wrap up, please don't forget to subscribe to 3 Steps Digital Brand Management. Also, be sure to check out kalicube.com/guides to download your free guides that will help you get ahead in this AI era. I dived, decoded, and deciphered SEO 2.0. Thanks to our sponsor, 3 Steps Digital Brand Management. And thank you for listening. See you next time for another new, necessary nugget of knowledge.